Okay, so it's been long enough. I finally moved to Silicon Valley and this week has just been a whirlwind, so I didn't have time to film this until now, and even now I barely have my apartment set up. I still have a bunch of things I need to order on Amazon. I've just been at Home Goods, Walmart, Target, trying to get as much basics as possible, and now I feel like I'm sort of settled in, but yeah, I'll just show you around. Exciting, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so first things first, let's start at the door. So here is the door. It's all electronic. Basically, you have to unlock it using your phone instead of a usual key. And then once you come in through the door, there is this closet section. So I can show you basically what I did on the inside. On the top, I just have my paper towels and stuff. And at the bottom, I have this shoe rack that I set up and my vacuum cleaners, all that fun stuff to keep it organized. And then over here on the right side of the room, we have my bedroom. And then I got like these little stands that I got from Target. I set them up myself. And then just a mattress that I ordered, and then bed sheets. So yeah, that's basically the bed right now, and my headboard hasn't arrived yet. So there's this cardboard that I'm using temporarily, but don't worry, I'll have a real headboard soon. And then here's just, I got these stuff from Target, these organizer boxes, which has been really helpful. And then the rest of my closet is just here. And then, yeah, it's a pretty nice closet. My suitcases are also just hidden in here. So yeah, that's basically it. And then moving on, here's the bathroom. I got these shower curtains from Home Goods, laundry basket from Target. This is from Home Goods. And then shampoo, conditioner, all that fun stuff. Nice having a real bathtub now. That's only mine. And then here we have just all my stuff that I need. Oh, this is really cool. I got this makeup organizer finally from Home Goods. And it's really nice how these little drawers, I just keep everything organized in here. And then all my stuff, I can just like put them in these drawers. I got this little trash can from Home Goods. And then, yeah, that's basically the bathroom. And then, moving on to the rest, this is the living room area. I'm planning on getting a sofa here that can expand into a bed, a coffee table. I might get a dresser, but you guys, like, oh my goodness, I can't believe how expensive furniture is. Like, I was looking on Wayfair and also just like looking around, and furniture is really expensive. So I might have to spread it out a bit, especially since we haven't even gotten to the kitchen part yet. So yeah, first things first, I definitely need to get chairs and a sofa, so that will be my first priority. And then other than that, another one of these things from Target for now is just having some of the rest of my stuff. One of my friends ordered me some board games, which is super cute as a housewarming gift, and then some other stuff. Oh, my apartment actually gave me this kind of cover from Restoration Hardware. So that's really cute. Got this wall art from Home Goods, got this rug from Home Goods, and then furniture I might get from Amazon and Wayfair, so stay tuned for that. Then we have this trash can. What's really cool about this apartment is that it's valet service garbage removal, so every night you could just place this trash can outside by the door and somebody just takes it. Makes my life so much easier. And then this is the kitchen. Really nice, everything's brand new. So I'm the first resident living in this unit, so everything's like super brand new, which I really appreciate. And these are super nice. This is the microwave, and then this is the stove. It's a gas stove, so I do have to make sure that it's turned off properly every night, but it's been working really well for me. Everything heats up super fast. And then just these towels I got from Home Goods. And then I really love baking, so I got these like pink baking trays, cupcake pans, and then just stuff. And then I got a master class cookware set. Parts of it is in the dishwasher. But yeah, so glad that I have a dishwasher now. As you guys know from my last place that I lived in, there was no actual kitchen. It's only a microwave and a sink. So having my own dishwasher, having my own oven, stove, and microwave, it's just so nice, you guys. I'm gonna be cooking a lot in here. And then, don't worry guys, I'm not drinking. This is for cooking, I swear. I love to make vodka pasta. If you haven't tried it, you guys absolutely must. It's the best way to make pasta. It evaporates immediately. You won't even taste it. So yeah, this is for cooking. I couldn't find a small bottle, so here we are, you know, whatever. And olive oil. This is super cute. I got from Home Goods, just my chopping board. And then, yeah, that's basically it, just like random stuff I have. And then I'm planning on getting a silverware organizer that hasn't arrived from Amazon yet, so it won't be as messy as right now. But these gold hardware pieces, super cute. And oh yeah, and I got this Brita filter. It's a really weird shape actually. It's like this funnel looking thing, but you know, it does what it does. And there's actually a lot of mosquitoes in this Silicon Valley area. I already got bit by like 10, like insane. Like people were saying, oh, there's less mosquitoes here than in Texas. That is a lie, that is a lie. So if you come here, this will be very important, just saying. Okay, moving on. I really love apple cider, if you can't tell already, but anyways, this is just my magic bullet. I love making smoothies, so, you know, always good to have that here. And then pink, you know, plates and bowls. And then this, I'm so proud. This is basically my pasta station, all down here. All my spices, my pasta sauces. And up here is all my baking ingredients. So yeah, that's really nice. And then down here, I just have some more stuff that I put. And then kitchen-wise, here is the refrigerator that they have, and then the frozen. But that is the main bits of it. There's also a really cool part that I want to show you guys, and it is right behind the kitchen. There's this other place that looks like a closet, but it's actually your own drying and washing machine. Amazing. I've never had this in my whole entire life. I've lived in an apartment before. It's always like on the floor, which everybody uses. In the last apartment building I've lived in, the entire floor had to share one washing machine, and it was disgusting. And it was always kind of out of order, and like things were just spilling from it. People wouldn't clean after themselves. It was just kind of gross. So I'm so glad to have my own washing and dryer, my own kitchen. So yeah, that is pretty much my apartment. The amenities here are super nice too. There is like a swimming pool in the middle, and then there's a gym, there's like barbecue stations. I think there's, it's like pet friendly, things like that. So it's a nice place to live in. It's pretty quiet, not a lot of like kids running around. I think I haven't seen any kids in this building at all actually. So yeah, definitely a little bit on the pricier side. If you don't know, Silicon Valley is an extremely expensive place to live in, but you know, this is the first time that I'm living in my own apartment, and I decided that I wanted to live in a safe area, and a place that was really convenient for work, and also grocery shopping, and also just being in a place where I feel comfortable and having a place of my own, because I've always had like a bunch of roommates before, or just lived in a very small space like a dorm, didn't have my own kitchen, washing machine, things like that. So, you know, it's really nice to have my own space for once, and I hope that I'll be able to show you guys more of my life around here. I did get a new car, so that's exciting. I might do a car tour soon as well. But yeah, just stay tuned. Keep following my journey if you're interested. It's all very exciting for me as well. This is my first time living and being in the Silicon Valley area. Yeah, so that is basically my apartment tour. There's one more thing I wanted to show you, and it's that there's a patio outside, which is really nice. I don't know if you can tell, probably not because of my reflection. If you're considering moving to the area, I would say make sure that you do your research well. I actually didn't do any sort of apartment tour in person before I moved, because it was very last minute. I was in Texas. There's no way that I was going to make a flight just for this. Just looked online, talked to like the leasing managers. Since it was brand new, it was reputable by a good apartment company and everything, I just decided to go for it. It was a bit of a complex process. I did have to have a lot of paperwork done, a lot of back and forth at times. Make sure that you have good credit. That's really important. Build up your credit before when you know that you're going to be applying for apartments soon, because they do a hard pull on that to make sure that you have good credit, you have verifiable income sources, things like that. So yeah, that's basically what my apartment process was like. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you. And maybe I'll do another, update on this apartment tour once I have more furniture in here. But this is what we're going with for now, the basics, even though I don't even have a chair to sit on right now. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.